Wow, the last episode already. I didn't expect to say this, but I actually made it. This is the final episode of my scripting challenge. And today, I want to share with you what I've learned and show you what I've built. Back in episode 1, I had no idea where to start. Then, I wrote my first script. Next, I automated the design part, and finally, I built the whole workflow. And now, here we are. The final version of my script guides me through the steps in 4 minutes and 75 clicks. Compared to the manual way, this saves me about 90% of the time. And most importantly, I can reuse this knowledge and this script for future projects. It's a great start, but there is always room for improvements with automation. I could, for example, integrate some user prompts or add a little UI. The possibilities are endless. My biggest takeaway, scripting isn't only for developers. With the right guidance and tools, even an absolute beginner can get up to speed in no time. If you're just starting, here is my advice. 1. Have a clearly defined workflow before getting started. 2. Don't skip the basics. Online courses are great to get started. 3. Work on a real use case. It keeps you motivated. 4. Don't be afraid to break things and ask around. I learned a lot, and I hope you did too. Let me know if I should try a new challenge. If you're starting your own journey, good luck. Thanks for tagging along. The video of the full script is available as well. If you want to learn more about automation, don't hesitate to contact us.